Hi guys, and welcome to Unity tutorial of how to add background. Okay, so I'm going to exit out and restart a new project entirely. So this is where I'm going to be adding my background. And there will be two different backgrounds that I'll be demonstrating. The first step, I'm going to grab hold of the background image I intend to use, drag it and just drop it to the project area. Yeah, that is my background I intend to use. Make sure it's selected. Now come to the spectrum and select where we have texture type. Drop it down and select Sprite 2D and UI. Once that is selected, you now want to change the sprite mode. Instead of multiple, change that to single. There, and scroll right down, then click on apply. That is sorted. Now, come right to where you have your canvas. Yeah? If you don't have a canvas, canvas will be automatically generated input. So let's right click on the canvas. And I'm going to select UI. And let's select panel. That is a panel right there. I do have a button. This is the button that leads me to the next level. Well, I'm going to drag this button and dump it right inside my panel. Okay. Next, select the panel. Come straight to the inspector here. Drag your background image and dump it right inside the source image right there. That is it taken care of. If I click on run, what you will see is this very image, but it looks cloudy. You see that? If I click on start, it will take me to the next level. Okay? But because it's cloudy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out and show you guys the difference between using this panel and that of image. You see the panel? I'm going to grab hold of my button, returning back to the canvas. Select my panel and just uncheck it here, disable it. So the panel is no longer useful. Now right click on this canvas again and let's select UI, then select image. That is the image. I'm now going to drag my background image, drag it and dump it right here. Source image. You cannot see it properly, so let's increase the size. So I'm going to make it 2000 plus 2200 by 1100. Yeah, that will do. Okay, but the button, we can't see the button, so let's drag the button and make it a child of the image. There we go. Now we can see the button. So if I click on run now, you guys should be able to see the difference between using the image and the panel. So the choice is yours. I just decided to show you guys the two methods. Look at that. Okay, so let's click on start the game. As a button, put me right here. So you can just do your own thing. Okay? And that's how you add image to your background. So with that, I'm calling the end of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now.